Here I have VERNEE Mix 2, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account and also how to remove it from this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings, then you have to go to the Accounts section, Add account, then you have to select Google. Of course, you will need internet connection to add Google account. Next, you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap Next. Next, you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Next, you have to agree with Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, and for the last thing, you have to tap Accept here, and account will be added. If you want to remove this account, just select it here, and then tap here and select Remove Account, and account will be removed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.